project that we're going to work on next is building a crate.
So what we have here is a box, another box, 3-gallon pail of some fire suppression material. That's liquid, so ideally we're going to do a little bit better job at just making sure that doesn't move around. And we've got a CO2 cartridge for obviously activating the client system. So what we're going to end up doing is just creating donuts for all of this stuff. I'm going to cut around it. These donuts will then just slide down and over this.
If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video.
the upcut bit is just tearing the OSB out. So I'm going to go with a 1/4-inch downcut bit. We'll see. I'm just destroying material as I'm cutting it. So let's see if a down spiral is going to make this better.
If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video.
Okay, now the downcut bit has really helped. I've moved the front piece over so I can get a clamp over here. I've got a clamp down here, just keeping the piece there. I'm hoping there's enough vacuum in the sense of at least holding the stuff down without it really flying off. Let's see what happens. But the downcut bit is really a game changer. So let's give this a go. Got a small problem. I haven't been using tabs, and as a result, we have a small problem. Now, obviously, the pieces are moving. I'm getting an irregular cut because the piece is actually moving. So I'm going to add some tabs to the tool path to hold those pieces in place. I always suspected that I would have to have tabs, but we're going to add them. So let's do that now. Okay, let's add some tabs. This piece is what's shifting on me, this one.
you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video.
Okay, so we were adding tabs to the workpiece. I wanted to show you what the tab looked like. And I'll tell you, it holds the piece in really well. We've got a tab at either end of this cutout. Okay. It holds it without it moving. It's just simply the bottom line. Is what we're doing here. So that's what the tabs are. They hold this piece in from shifting. Because it's just OSB, those tabs are going to snap off real easily, no problem. So here's the work in progress. This is kind of what proof of what we've been working on so far. I've been cutting out what I've called the donuts, so to speak, and here they are. They're going to slide down, and our parts are going to fit right in the middle of these pieces. Probably a little easier to see it on the floor. Okay. Now all of them aren't going to be the same shape, but this is the common one so far. So I've built a base, and using these cutouts, I've created some feet for myself for the bottom of the skid. It's not light, that's for sure. No reason to throw the scrap out. Almost all of this is built from scrap, including this base material. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run some screws down into the bases just to make sure that everything stays exactly where it needs to. So I'll run 2 screws into each of these bases. That's it. Okay, let's continue on with the work. All right, let's put these screws in. Should be fairly durable now. Okay, here we go.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.